Okay, here's what it sounds like when you're getting fried by microwave. Okay, when you're getting hit with this, your vision may be blurry and like wavy feeling. It may feel as if your head is throbbing back and forth inside your brain is throbbing back and forth inside your skull. Sorry, trying to think about too much at one time. Also, you may have extreme itching all over your body or in your crotch area. That's areas they like to hit, is in your crotch area. This is microwave radiation. They're using microwaves to murder me and murder all other TIs. If you are a TI, you are being subjected to this and you are being slowly murdered. When this is going on, you're getting hit with this signal, like I said, your body temperature rises, you get really, really hot, you start sweating. It's really bad. Okay, and if you listen to a lot of my videos, some of my earlier videos, you can hear the V2K in the background on a lot of them. Or at least I can. Of course, I'm going to talk about that later, how they do that exactly.